Hi guys, I'm Prashanthi and you're watching Cook with Prashanthi. Today I'm here with simple chicken curry recipe. For that, first you need to take 250 grams of chicken pieces which are boneless. Rinse with water till the water runs clear and set aside. Now, take a kadai or pot, place it over medium flame and heat 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, add 1 big size onion slices and 2 or 3 green chilli slit and stir continuously as shown in the video. So these are the chicken pieces which I have kept ready. Now add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and stir continuously for next 30 to 40 seconds and add the chicken pieces and stir continuously. Now you can see that after some time the chicken pieces turn light white color as you can see in the video. At that stage add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix till all the pieces are coated with turmeric powder and also add salt. Close the pot with a lid and cook for next 6 minutes. You can see that chicken releases water. At that stage add 1 tablespoon of dried red chilli powder and give it a good mix. Close it with a lid and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Now to that add water as shown in the video and close it with a lid and cook till it comes to rolling boiling and the chicken is 80% cooked. At that stage add 1 medium sized tomato slices and cook by closing it with lid till all the tomatoes are nice and soft. We have added handful of cilantro and mint as you can see in the video and gave it a good mix. Later we will be adding the dry ingredients as you can see. Now to this add 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala and give it a mix. Close the lid and cook for 2 or 3 minutes and turn off the flame. Our simple chicken curry is ready to be served. You can have it with roti or rice. Totally depends upon your liking. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and keep liking my videos. Thank you.